In 2025, Rheem will commit to achieving zero waste and zero landfill impact from all of our global manufacturing operations.
This is part of our zero waste to landfill efforts, the goals that Rheem established in 2019. First time for Audrey and myself visiting the Intergas facility to get us to the zero waste to landfill standard, which means diverting at least 90% of your waste.
First, there's a lot of pre-planning meetings. Our zero waste to landfill ambassadors have a lot of coordination.
So we started with sending 2 memos to inform the employees as much as possible about what we are going to do. And then we did the preparations. The preparations consist of planting as many different kind of waste bins in many areas. The production area, in the office area.
We need to make sure that we're able to collect a representative sample. So that's every trash can throughout the facility on site needs to be separated and to make sure that our sample isn't too large or too small. The actual activity is collecting 24 hours worth of waste. Once we've been able to collect the sample, we lay it all out on the floor in front of us and start separating different waste streams into different categories.
The materials that were already being separated for recycling, like cardboard and metals, they were not in the scope of the audit. The 3 largest waste streams are organic materials, such as coffee grounds and rest of food, labeled plastics, like bags, stretch wrap and other packaging, and labeled backing from the stickers that we use.
Put together a strategy on how we can divert these materials from landfill or waste to energy. This is where the team really has to get creative. We have to look at how can we reduce these materials from being generated. For example, with coffee cups, can we use reusable mugs? Can people bring in their own thermoses? For the sugar packets, can we use larger containers on tables where employees can just take as much as they want? This is really the part that's fun and because it gets the most people involved.
This waste management initiative is a key component to Intergas's commitment to improving circularity. We now have visibility of all the different types of waste sources and waste streams being generated.